8/7 into its simplest form, lowest number, reduced form. Look here. To simplify this fraction, we need to divide numerator and denominator by the greatest common factor or highest common factor. Look, 1 times 7 equal to 7. So 1 and 7 are the factor of 7. On the other hand, these are the factors of 8. This 7 is a prime number. It has only two factors, 1 and the digit itself. There is no two number between 1 and 7. If you multiply, and you will get 7. So the greatest common factor, if you have a prime number, uh, either in numerator or denominator, the possibility of the greatest common factor is 1. So here 1, we are seeing this. So if you divide this 8 by 1 and 7 by 1, we are getting 8/7. This is the simplest form, but this is an improper fraction. Usually we convert improper fraction to mixed number. Improper fraction means numerator will be greater than denominator. So how to convert this improper fraction to mixed number? Just divide. 7 goes into 8. 1 times 7, 7, subtract 1. So this will be, quotient will be the whole number part, remainder will be the numerator, divisor will be the denominator. So 1 and 1/7 is our answer.